Hi, my name is Bansidha. I am the corporate chef for Saransan Group of Hotels. So I passed out 95 from Institute of Hotel Management Bhopal. Started my journey with Hyatt Regency Delhi, then moved to ITC Hotels. Then I got opportunity to go and learn something in Italian cuisine in Italy. I worked 3 years in Italy, then came back to India, started working with Leela, and then ITC Hotels again. Currently, I'm working with Sun and Sand groups. So the people think that you are either you become a commie or even the steward after passing out the 3-year diploma. It's not true. All the 5 stars right now have the different programs, like the HOT programs are there, the management trainee programs are there, which you have to get enrolled into it, and then the future will be taken care by the industry itself. Definitely, hotel industry is demanding. It takes out more rather than the other industry, what do you think? But demanding in terms of the quality, demanding in terms of the standard, demanding in terms of sincerity, demanding in terms of your willingness to learn. So these all things hotel industry demands. If you can see the examples. The chefs are making the dim sums. How precise they are to make their dim sum, that the same size should come, the same stuffing should go inside. Everything, it's all comes with your hard work, with your lot of practices. And practices, hard work and practices, how we'll do when your team supports you. So that's how the hotel industry is all about, the teamwork. When team takes care of you, your work life and family life also get balanced. So you don't require anything. They are here to support. When you require your weekly off, you get your weekly off because the team is there to support you. They will take care in absence of you. When you require leave, your team is there to give you proper leave. So nobody works right now more than 9 hours in this industry. We know that how tough it is to give that 9 hours focus, to be focused that 9 hours to the organization. So no one is exceeding that 9 hours. Nobody is stretching that 9 hours. We all work for 9 hours. We go happily home after going 9 hours. We get a weekly off every week. We get our leaves. So nothing, it's beautiful life. It's very beautiful life. We all get, rewarded. End of the year, when you do your work, either you get promoted someone get increment. So that all things is keep happening. Kitchen is more like skill-based department. So you have to, I will say, you have to understand what skills you possess, and then you pursue your dreams according to that skill. If you are good in making a nice carvings, you can pursue your dream in the garde departments. You have a dream that I want to work in Asian cuisine. You have to be that skill, like, okay, I can work like dim sums over there, I can do some nice noodles over there. So all the very skill-based job in the kitchen is. So always you have to, when you choose the kitchen, think which skill I possesses. And then you pursue your dream according to that. So many people think that after taking the degree of hotel management, they are ready to become an entrepreneur. It's not true. It's not true. And it's not advisable at all. First, spend some time in the industry to learn the basic nuances of this industry. What about the basic things, like what is the food cost, what is wastage, what is manpower cost, what is your HPG cost, what is your, outgoing purchase cost. So these all things you have to be. And how you will learn when you work with the industry? Either it will work for the restaurant or the hotel, it doesn't matter. But first you have to work. Then understand the basic. Then you look for when you starting your own venture. Otherwise, it will be never successful until unless you don't know the basic operational procedure. So I have a strong, my personal opinion, and I will recommend also. So whoever wants to start his own, whether a small cafe or kiosk, first spend some time in the industry to learn the basics, to work under some seniors and learn it. Then you can try your venture out. I will always recommend everyone, those who are passing out, the ones to be inspiring students of mine, or all the juniors, those who are completing their hotel management course. Definitely once you work in the hospitality industry, because after that working only, you will understand how beautiful this industry is, how charming it is. And there are plenty of opportunity opens once you enter in the hotel, spend few years, get some ideas about the work, then definitely the more options open. You can go in the cruise lines, you can go in the event management, you can work with the hospitals, you can work with the supermarkets, you work in airlines, plenty. But I will, from my personal side, I will request to work at least few years in any small hotels, big hotels, star hotel, doesn't matter, but work.